I'm going to show you my Java applet with connected to the database. So I have here excuse me, this thing up first. There are still configuration before we start. We have a setup, so we need to put a MySQL connector because we're going to connect this to the database. So I already downloaded the MySQL connector here, found in the libraries. And then I'm using XAMPP, so I'm going to start the Apache and MySQL. So here we are now connected to the database. Okay, so I wrote here product database name product, having the table product. Here are the fields: the ID, name, brand, price, quantity. It has a data type of integer, varchar. The brand, the price is integer, and quantity is integer. Although we can make this a float. We can change that one, but I choose integer. Okay, so this is how to run the system. So if you're going to add product like ID1, the name is Samsung. The brand Samsung, price is 2000, quantity is 2. Okay, so if you're going to go back and view the product list, so the product is now here. So let's check the database. So if you're going to browse this one, there is one file here, which is the Samsung phone. So we are now already connected to the database. So going back to the code, so here I have the package, then my main class, my main. The landing page is more of the so this one. I have my package, Tang app, public class landing page, which is my class name, using Java applet form, extend Java swing JFrame. So here, this is the code. Actually, this is already, others are already default. I just indicate here the buttons that I needed for the functionality. Next, in the database, this is the driver loaded. Then this is the path of my database. This is the database table name. The database name. So one. I have here libraries that import SQL and import SQL driver manager. And add product. Here you can see, if you are going to add product, I have buttons here, then all the buttons there have a specific function. And I have here the fields in my database, so that this field here, inside this, you're going to store the input of the user. So this one, the button submit, if you are going to submit this one, this will be all performed. And this name, we're going to get the text, the brand, the price, then insert. This one is one, we're going to execute this query. Insert into table product because we are using SQL. Then if you're going to this one, the ID, the name, brand, all of the fields, then if this is true, then a success message will show. Then please input all fields. There is a there is a try and catch. If ever there is there is a blank field, there must be a message that will show, a warning message that will allow the user to understand that the fields should be inputted. Then the reset button, you need to reset the the program. The back action used to from landing page, from one page to go back to another page. And here are the buttons, the labels that are used. Variable declaration. Okay, so that's all, and thank you so much, ma'am, for letting us or encouraging us to do this, and thank you so much for teaching us many lessons, ma'am. Thank you so much, and goodbye.